Okay, here we are in the art shop story time. Did you ever wonder where artists get their inspiration for paintings? The painting I'm featuring in my art shop this week goes way back in bits of inspiration. Back to 5th grade. The ripe old age of 10. Okay. Here's me. I was cuter than this, but... And here is little Mr. Bedroom Eyes. Also age 10. I think the word smitten was invented because of us. So, embarrassing moments. First kiss. Lesson learned, don't get your first kiss on a hill. Next to a road. Especially not with Mr. Bedroom Eyes. Because this is what happens. Help! Oh dear. Won't forget that kiss anytime in the near future. Okay. Here's a fun moment. In 5th grade, I received my first wedding ring out on the playground from little Mr. Bedroom Eyes. It was a rag that he found on the playground. I don't think he kneeled down to give it to me, though. In 6th grade, age 11, embarrassing moment, Mr. Bedroom Eyes passed me a note, a secret note, and the note said, meet me at the football game on Saturday at the high school, and we might make out a little. Oh my god. And I was so stupid that I didn't know what make out meant. So I had to sneakily ask my girlfriend so she wouldn't think I was stupid. What does make out mean? In 6th grade, I was starting to get the hang of kissing Mr. Bedroom Eyes. Mr. Bedroom Eyes was Italian, oozing charisma, adorable, and I was lost. Lost in his charm. Kiss me, I don't care. So, we went to many parties, as kids do, and we'll all hang out and moon over each other, flirt, and if you are Mr. Bedroom Eyes and Miss Hopeless Romantic, you find a tree somewhere to lean against while somebody leans over and plants a good one on you. This went on party after party after party, and we got to know where all the good spots were. At one person's party, there was a shed with all kinds of weird stuff in it. It even had a bed for all kinds of silly shenanigans. Let's see. How much can we smooch in one party? Mr. Bedroom Eyes. Then, in 7th grade, another embarrassing moment, we found lots of trees over at the reservoir behind the school. Lots of trees all around the reservoir. Secret place. And here, another tree. Another lean. And then what the heck? What's with the tongue? Mr. Bedroom Eyes was way ahead of his time. So, Mr. Italian Bedroom Eyes and I had a very romantic and sexy time for probably 4 or 5 years. And I can tell you he ruined me for everybody else for a long time. Hold my hand. Okay, hold your hand. And believe it or not, it's his birthday on the day I'm going to upload this to YouTube. Happy birthday. You know who you are. Thank you for all the wonderful and exciting times, my dear friend. Now, come with me. I want to show you something. So, how, might you ask, did I get from young love to this crazy picture on the wall? Which is obviously not a portrait of us. This painting is called Italian Smooth Move. And while I was working on it, Mr. Bedroom Eyes kept flashing into my mind because this funny expression on his face, the irresistible, captivating, charming, witty, conniving face with cute little lips and foxy eyes. Irresistible. And I thought, how many other women have had similar bedroom eyes to deal with at a young age? I don't know. But this one, I will never forget. And so this painting has become an ode to Mr. Bedroom Eyes. It's also a funny comment on the fact that there are a lot of women out there, like me, who are silly and have these cuckoo thoughts when in the presence of Mr. Bedroom Eyes. Kooky thoughts like, I know he loves me, I know he wants to marry me, he's going to be the father of my children. And yet, the poor boy is only 12 years old. And so, in this painting, the woman has cuckoo birds pecking at her head for all her stupid thoughts. And he is simply relishing in the idea of his smooth moves having the desired effect. There you go, Italian smooth move. So this is the long, circuitous route a creative person takes in creating art.